Hi, my name is Jaq Gibson. I am a licensed esthetician, and today I'm going to be talking about what products are good for your specific skin type. The first product I'm going to be talking about today are cleansers. Cleanser helps rid the skin of bacteria and environmental impurities. There are several types of cleansers out there on the skincare market. There's gel, there's oil, there's foam, there's cream, and there's clay. A gel cleanser is great for normal skin or combination skin. It can be a bit drying, so it's more for younger skin. Foam cleansers are for oily or combination skin. Clay cleansers are also great for oily skin and acneic skin. Oil cleansers are great for dry skin or mature skin. Cream cleansers are also great for dry and mature skin as well. Exfoliators are what you want to use right after you use a cleanser. And what exfoliators do is they rid your skin of dead skin cells and impurities. After you cleanse, you want to use an exfoliator or an exfoliant. Exfoliators remove the dead skin cells from your face. They smooth your skin and they help even out your skin tone. There are two types of exfoliators, physical and chemical. A physical scrub is something that you use to physically scrub on your face, something gritty in texture that removes the dead skin cells off. This is great for most skin types. I would not recommend it for someone with sensitive skin, and if you have dry skin, I would recommend a gentle exfoliator. For chemical exfoliators, there are two different types. There are enzymes and there are peels. Enzymes eat the dead skin cells off of your skin, and they are pretty safe for pretty much all of your skin types. Chemical peels digest both dead and healthy skin cells. I only recommend chemical peels for oily skin and combination skin that's normal and oily. I do not recommend a chemical peel if your skin is sensitive or you have acneic skin with open lesions. Following an exfoliator, you want to follow with a mask. Masks provide many benefits for your skin depending on what type of mask it is. There are also two types of masks, non-setting and setting. Non-setting masks stay hydrating or moist, whereas setting masks dry or harden. Most masks are hydrating or moist, cream or wax, or clay. I recommend hydrating masks for normal skin types, dry skin types, and combination skin types. I recommend cream or wax masks for dry skin types, combination skin types, or people with mature skin. I recommend clay masks for the oily skin types. Following your mask, you want to use a toner. Toners are an integral part of skincare that many people look over. The reason why toners are so important is because toners help balance that acid mantle that I previously talked about in my previous video. It also helps balance the pH levels on your skin, soothes your skin, clears it of any impurities that are left over after the cleansing, and it helps tighten your pores. There are three different types of toners: fresheners, toners, and astringents. Fresheners are often water-based and have an oil infusion. They are great for normal, dry, and combination skin types. Actual toners help soothe and tighten the skin. I recommend those for normal and combination skin types. Astringents are alcohol-based and they help strip the skin of excess oil. I recommend astringents for oily skin types or normal oily combination skin types. After your toner, you want to use your serums. Serums are highly concentrated liquid treatments with specialized ingredients to target certain skin conditions. You want to make sure you put your serums on right after you put your toners because serums have smaller molecules. So that means it penetrates your skin a little faster, a little deeper, hence making it a little bit more effective product-wise. You don't want to block it with anything else. You want that to penetrate your skin first. After your serums, you want to follow with a moisturizer. Moisturizers nourish your skin, and they also help level the oil-water balance in your skin. When it comes to moisturizers, there are also several different kinds. There are gel moisturizers, which are very hydrating. There are creams and lotions. Water-based moisturizers are very lightweight and filling, and I recommend them for normal, oily, and combination skin types. Oil-based moisturizers are a little more heavier and occlusive. I recommend these for dry or normal and dry skin types, or dry and oily combination skin types. The last thing you want to put on your skin is sun protection, or SPF, sunscreen. It will protect your skin from the sun's UV rays. The sun is so damaging to your skin. I can't stress this enough. It is the #1 cause of aging, skin cancer, hyperpigmentation, capillary damage, elastin and collagen deterioration, which makes your skin saggy. So you have to make sure you find a sunscreen for you. There are 2 types of sunscreens, chemical and physical, which is considered non-chemical. Chemical sunscreens are more likely to cause allergic reactions in your skin. I know personally when I use chemical sunscreens, I get white little pustules on my skin. Physical sunscreens oftentimes leave a white cast over your face. Sometimes when you take pictures, you may see it pop up, and that's the downside to physical sunscreen. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you all found the information helpful. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on your notifications for future videos. Bye.